Hello YouTube! In this video we'll be doing an oil change on a Mitsubishi Colt with 1.5 liter engine. Let's dive right in. The first step is to jack up the front of the car. I recommend lifting it from the right side, as the oil drain plug is located on the left. Next, locate the drain plug on the oil pan and place a drain pan underneath to catch the old oil. Use a size 13 socket and a ratchet to remove the drain plug. Be careful not to spill oil on the floor. Let the oil drain completely for a few minutes. As a tip, I like to lower the car while the oil is draining to get any remaining drops of old oil out. After a little time, lift the car back up and check to see that the oil has stopped dripping. Next, clean the oil drain plug and replace the copper washer with a new one. In my case, I used a washer with an inside diameter of 14.4 mm and an outside diameter of 19.8 mm. Now it's time to head back under the car. Use a paper towel to clean the area around the drain plug, then screw the plug back in with the new washer. Use a size 13 socket and torque it down to 39 Nm with a torque wrench. If you don't have a torque wrench, tighten it with a ratchet, but be careful not to over tighten and damage the threads in the sump. With the drain plug in place, it's time to remove the old oil filter. I find the easiest access is from the top. I used my trusty oil filter strap to loosen it, but there are plenty of tools available for this job. Use whatever you have. Before fully removing the filter, place the drain pan beneath it to catch any additional oil that might drip out. Unpack the new oil filter, lubricate the O-ring with fresh oil, and clean the area around the filter mount with paper towels. Screw on the new filter by hand, tightening it firmly. No tools are needed here. Hand tightening is sufficient. Once the filter is installed, clean up any residual oil with brake cleaner and paper towels to leave the engine area nice and tidy. Now lower the car back to the ground and fill the engine with fresh oil. I used a 5 liter can of 5W40, but remember not to pour all of it in at once. The factory spec for this engine is 4.2 liters. Start by adding about 4 liters, then check the dipstick to confirm the level. If needed, top it up. Once the oil level looks good, start the car and let it run for a minute or two. Shut it off, wait 5 minutes and check the oil level again. And that's it! You've successfully completed an oil change on a Mitsubishi Colt. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and thanks for watching. See you next time.